everywhere. If it ain't about no money, Ratchet just don't care. I'm the tall, slim, fly guy. Ladies call me Papa. Better get your girl, cause she probably on my roster.
Ratchet, can you please stop smoking la la?
JY Trap, I'm a thug, I'm a die high. I be out in Jersey, poking Kirby. Yeah, I know you heard me, the girls never curve me. Girls wanna cuff me when I'm in the club, G. No, I know they mans be wanting to slug me. Is it cause I move as smooth as clutch threes? Or be at the bar with too much bubbly? Yo, I think it must be the girls wanna fuck me. Or it's just simply the girls just love me. Brothers wanna fuck my hoes, rock my clothes, live my life, pull out scraps in my life. I'm like, damn, how them haters get so pissed? Used to be my dog, how he gon' plot on my chick? Do you think he snaked me cause he hate me? Or he got his CBD, cock blocking degree? Quit that. You know your shit whack. Where your chicks at? Where your whips at? Wherever you been, dog, I done been there. Whatever you did, dog, I done did that. Don't knock me cause you're boring. With me, she awake, with you, she snoring. Simply, a lot of men be wanting to end me cause their words just don't offend me. I spend cheese, yeah, about a 10-piece. Then come home to plenty, spoiled Frenchies. You name it, I can claim it. Young, black, and famous, with money like I came from Cambridge. And when you need a hit, who you go and get? Bet against us?
Not a sure bet.
We make hits that'll rearrange your whole set. I got bitches that I ain't even fucked yet.
Bad boy, can't be faded. Can't stop, won't stop, won't stop, won't stop. Take it. That's right.
I know it's not fair, the way I got this group of chicks coming over here. The picture's so vivid and I see it so clear. Said she never touched a girl, but I got her so near. She said she not single, her man is a bum. Probably at home on the game smoking some. He let her out the house half naked, yeah, he dumb. With me you get the whole loaf of bread, he a crumb. Let me tell you something, she said that boy broke. She asked me if I'm like these other dudes, that's a joke. She turned her phone off, she gon' tell him that it broke. I asked her if she gotta go home, she like no. So you know what I'm doing when I'm riding with your main chick. I turned her to a groupie. I'm feeling like the man, you the way I gotta choose it. Soon as we get home, we gon' turn them lights on and we gon' make a movie. Yeah, we gon' make a movie. Soon as we get home, we gon' turn them lights on and we gon' make a flick. Now I got her coming from the tongue and the dick. I got her wide open on the cam taking pics. She said that a man never seen her like this. So you know, I don't even gotta move, cause this Patron put her right in the mood. So you know her friend got invited over too. Needed something on their stomach, so I went and got them food. Now that that's done, I had to get them back. Riding in the whip with that thing on my lap. Dude get the trippin' and he getting his ass clapped. But you know, I ain't come for all that, so I got her back. She made it home safe. Told her hit me up next time you wanna play. But it wasn't long, cause I don't gotta wait. Cause this chick hit me up the very next day. So you know what I'm doing when I'm riding with your main chick. I turned her to a groupie. I'm feeling like the man, you the way I gotta choose it. Soon as we get home, we gon' turn them lights on and we gon' make a movie. Yeah, we gon' make a movie. Soon as we get home, we gon' turn them lights on and we gon' make a. Let's go, gang. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Soon as we get home, we gon' turn them lights on and we gon' make a. Halloween is going down, gang. Y'all already know the album dropping, bro. I'm gonna go through and finish this shit. I got 2 more sessions left. I got one session where I'm just gonna record everything,
the final project, and then after that, we're just gonna go in and master everything, and then the album gonna be ready. So hey, y'all get ready, man. It's coming. Let's go, man. Get the likes up. Let's go.
Hey, y'all know the king back. I'm the realest one in it. Put my city on my back. Ain't nobody left to put this city on the map. Plus, y'all know I'm hotter than them boys in the trap. Still live above the law. Still got it on my lap. I hear a lot of talking, but I hear a lot of cap. Came in the game with money. I don't even gotta rap. Boy, you better ask your chick the way I got her running back. OMG, OMG, oh my God. Musta lost service cause you ain't got bars. You know I'm real arrogant because I'm unflawed. Tell them boys, man, ain't nobody but with the squad. Oh my God, get the strap. Fuck a law, grab a back, break a jaw. Good luck, man, we ain't even got a stack cause I got them all loose. Don't say it with your chest, so I don't gotta do it. Big D, yeah, I'm blessed, so I got them all choose. Walk in with a check and grab your chick by the booty. Tequila got me vibing, I ain't popping no pill. Cause most these boys junkies and I gotta keep it real. Name your girl hospital, cause that throat ill. Don't be texting my phone, that type of smoke will get you killed. Better do your homework, I ain't calling no cop. Ask the last boy to try, ran that boy up out his sock. Everybody think it's sweet till them bullets start to pop. Even on a cold day, I make a block get hot. OMG, OMG, oh my God. Musta lost service cause you ain't got bars. You know I'm real arrogant because I'm unflawed. Tell them boys, man, ain't nobody but with the squad. Oh my God, get the strap. Fuck a law, grab a back, break a jaw. Good luck, man, ain't nobody but with the squad. Oh my God, get the strap. Fuck a law, grab a back, break a jaw. Good luck, man, ain't nobody but with the squad. Ain't nobody but with the squad.
Hey, know I'm tone bite, know I'm tone bite, know I'm tone bite. We back, Ratchet Gang. We back with another one. We back with another banger. Let's get the likes up. Look, you might have forgot. Hell, they might have forgot. But you already know. It's the king. Too loyal, know I'm tone bite. Ratchet TV. Hey, y'all already know, man. Y'all already know. Get the likes up if you in the building. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Tap that notification bell so you can get the drop whenever I drop. Alright, so boom. Man. We gotta talk, Ratchet Gang. We got to chop it up. Look, tonight we got to chop it up about the Mo3 case. I've been telling y'all, keep your eyes open, man. I've been keeping my eyes peeled. I'm watching everything, making everything make sense. Let's keep it a big buck. Let's keep it a big buck. We've been making this shit make sense, man. So salute to the gang. Salute to the gang. Salute to the mother effing gang, man. Nah, but we gotta chop it up, man. I seen some donations fly across the screen. Salute to Belinda Scipio for the $10. Says, King, they've been messing with you and it's about to piss me off. I love you, King. Salute to you, Belinda. I appreciate you. Salute. Also, somebody had Miss Parker, thank you for that membership. I appreciate you. Salute. Hey, Belinda. Ain't nothing going on. It's big ratchet we talking about. This the biggest. All right, let's keep it a big buck. This the biggest to ever do it. So we're not worried about none of the fugazi stuff on the background. Look, let me tell y'all something. Contrary to anyone's belief, Ratchet is A-OK. Promise you. Like, look, bruh, I run this fucking city. When you think about Rainwater jumping up here earlier saying how he controls the narrative, well, look, let me tell you something, Rain. I control the narrative, and I've always controlled the narrative. Period, point blank. The narrative has always been right here. This is where it all started. This is where the Mo3 case as far as the sector was created the night I interviewed Jossie Banks. That's when we turned this bitch up. That's when we turned the fucking city up. Let's call a spade a spade. This YouTube shit wasn't turned up until I got on this bitch and made my waves and got Jossie Banks on this damn panel. Then boom, we backdoor. Then now we got Jossie Sweet Pea, and we got Keela, and we got Mataya. Now we got Trap Boy Freddy over here. We got Yellow Beezy trolling in the chat. We got Beto over here. We got Keela up here this night. We got Mataya back again. We got Jossie Banks back again. We got everybody tuned in the whole motherfucking Metroplex. Not to name Rainwater being up here every damn night. It's been a crazy ass time. What a time to be alive, man. So I take you back to a time in this Mo3 case where from Jump Street, RatchetTV gave y'all the drop from Jump. All right, so if anybody was gonna be mad about the information I had, which was true, think about this. The city is telling me, don't mention Jerry Johnson. Listen to what I'm telling y'all. The city is like, hey, yo, people tied into the streets like, yo, this name Jerry Johnson, bro. You might want to stay away from that name. Everyone is telling me, Jerry Johnson. Don't say that name. Don't say. No one will mention this name. He's like the boogeyman around this bitch. No one will say Jerry Johnson's name. RatchetTV gives you Jerry Johnson and his paperwork presented you with all his information, right? Now, why did everybody tell me not to talk about that? Why didn't anyone else pick that story up? Like, seriously, ask yourself that. Your favorite person to cover the Mo3 case, it don't matter if it's RatchetTV or whoever, it don't matter. You ain't got to say it in the chat. Just think to yourself, who's your favorite person that covered the Mo3 case? In your head. It ain't got to be me, but ask yourself, if it ain't RatchetTV, if it's Ratchet, then you don't got to answer this question. But if it's not RatchetTV, the question should be, why didn't they give me this information? Did they hate RatchetTV so much that it gave them a bias, or were they paid off? Are they working for the other side? Are they afraid? Why have they been up here pump faking about justice for Mo3 when everybody in the streets and every person on YouTube has showed you they got connections to all these people in the streets? So you're telling me these people did not know about Jerry Johnson? These people had no idea. Jerry, you knew who Keywan was. See, everybody knows Keywan. It's all Keywan. Everyone drills Keywan because he's the fucking scapegoat. Let's call a spade a spade. Salute to Honey Trap for being a member for 29 months as Big Ratchet. High emphasis on Big. It's the King, RG4L. Salute to Honey Trap for being a member for 29 months. Y'all go ahead and drop the flowers for Honey Trap. Salute to Honey Trap, man. Salute to the certified one for the $20. It says, get the likes up, gang. The biggest to ever do it, Ratchet. So salute to you as well, certified one. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, we've been loose on them donations. We had where we at right now? $40? Yeah, we had $40. $40. All right, so we at $40 right now. Let's get that 60 on the screen tonight, gang. Let's go, man. Let's go ahead and get this damn support up, gang. We've been loose on this damn support, and I've been giving you some good ass content. Oh, hold on. Did somebody else drop me a salute to Chocolate Queen for the $10? Thank you, Chocolate Queen. I appreciate you, Chocolate Queen. And Charger Girl for being a member for 42 months. Hey, drop the flowers for Charger Girl for being a member for 42 months. Charger Girl, where's your... Why? I don't know why you ain't got a wrench. I'm gonna give you a wrench. You've been down for a long ass time. Damn, that's a long ass time. Salute to you. I appreciate you, Charger Girl. There you go. Salute to you. All right, so... Salute to Charger Girl for the $20 as well. I appreciate you, Charger Girl. Thank you for the $20. Salute. I appreciate you. Salute. All right. That's $60. We 40 away. $40? All right. So ask yourself why no one gave you this information, bro. Why is RatchetTV the only person that's gonna give you what's really going on in Dallas? I'm talking about deep in the streets. RatchetTV went as deep as he could go into this case and gave you all the information that I could give you. I never ran a play with y'all. I never played on y'all intelligence. I never played on y'all hearts, never played on y'all minds. I simply came here with a job to do, and the job was to get justice for Mo3. And you can say whatever you want about me, but that's exactly what I've done, bro. Like, I literally haven't got up here and lied to y'all, ran no damn plays. I ain't stole nothing from nobody. I don't owe nobody shit. I did this on my own. I tried to help people out along the way. And similar to the Mo3 case, you can just kind of see it's not even just Dallas, it's just worldwide. But something about this case just shows the real backstabbing side of everyone. I tried to help everybody out. Everybody could have been eating if it was for me. Everybody eats. Everybody got their hand in the pot, and everyone is selfish. Everybody wants to work. I mean, everybody wants to be a star, but no one want to put the work in to become the next academics, to become the next Vlad TV, to become the next fam. I'm the GOAT because I dedicated myself to this shit. You can't outwork me. That's the fucked up part. None of you can outwork me. No matter what you do, you can run play after play after play after play. When the smoke clears and the dust settles, if anybody's still, it might not be a lot of motherfuckers here, but throughout every storm, Ratchet TV has come out on top. Every time. And ain't folded yet and won't fold. Damn it, I exited off my damn screen. Salute to Love All of Me for the membership. I appreciate you. Salute. All right, salute. Man. All right. Yeah, we almost got 1,000 people in here. So, there's been some information that's been floating around. Now, I want y'all to know Rainwater can never play on my top. Rainwater, I let him just talk. I don't never listen to shit Rain is talking about. I just let him talk. He's going to talk himself into a few corners. He's going to give me the drop on what's going on. But now that we know him and old girl, fam, that girl is just, she lost out here. And it's not even, I can't go back and forth with that. That girl is, she kind of slow. You know what I'm saying? Just to be honest. But I'm not, it's not even it's just a matter of time with that one. That's all I'll say about that. It'll just be a matter of time. But all of the warnings that, I don't give a fuck to give anybody any more warnings. Everybody fend for yourself. It's over in these streets. I've showed you who everybody is. You believe me or you don't. It's up to y'all. I don't really give a damn. I'm not here to convince y'all of who these people are. I already know who the fuck they are. I know what they about. I know every player in this fucking game, and there's a reason why they just don't fuck with me. But they don't fuck with me either. Let's keep it a buck. They talking on the inside. Now, on the inside, they have been watching this through the outside, but the inside and the outside have been communicating through this. Is that big JoJo? Salute to JoJo. JoJo threw a whole honey bun and says, love you, Ratchet. I love you, mods. I'm always here to support you, Ratchet. Salute. Salute to JoJo. I appreciate that honey bun, JoJo. Salute. Thank you so much, JoJo. JoJo's so sweet. Salute to JoJo, y'all. All right, so, yeah, we blessed over here. Lay down, Dom. Yeah, we blessed over here, man. And I just think a lot of people should kind of reevaluate life at this point, because I think some of y'all are consumed by other people's bullshit. I think it's become to a point where y'all just want to see the crash. I think some of y'all are praying for the crash. I think some of y'all are anticipating a crash. Some of y'all just want death and shit like that. Y'all want fucked up shit to happen. Some of y'all are very fucking demonic. Some of y'all are some demonic motherfuckers, right? So get it back, baby. Get the likes up, y'all. Double tap the screen. Running plays is like a rat in the wheel. You just keep going in circles. Yeah, but see, the thing about it, Candy, some of these people that talk themselves into circles they can't talk out of no more. I'm telling y'all, look, people can spin it on whoever they want to. And the reason why I brought up the Jerry Johnson thing to show you how dangerous of a situation that was in 2021 when I dropped it. What if it's Ratchet TV so much, fam? that shit could have been done. You get what I keep telling y'all, like, come on, fam, like, I keep my ears to the streets so much. You remember the Julio shit? And I started getting worried about a lot of shit that was going on with me. Y'all remember the stuff with Jay Prince? I started getting word on shit was going. I keep my ears to so much that it ain't even just me keeping my ears to it. The streets talk. And the streets have told me everything and how people feel about a lot of shit. I'm telling you 100%. Y'all might not even understand it, but no one's riding around here looking for rain for a reason. Now I'm gonna tell you something. The difference about rain is they are afraid of going to jail, period, when it comes to rain, because they just assume rain is gonna always have some sort of trick up his sleeve and have the upper hand with the police, or something is going on with rain. So they kind of just stay up out of rain way in fear of the police. And people like me, Charleston White, it's kind of the same shit. They don't really even, they just figure, nah, these internet niggas on some police ass shit, I ain't fucking with them niggas. Now, there's a difference between what I would say that we do over here versus with somebody who's affiliated with people. Like, people might get offended by someone who's affiliated with them exposing them on the internet. You would think like, hey, fam, you so-and-so's cousin or my homeboy's baby mama's friend type shit. You are linked with these people in a way where it kind of puts you in a bad spot due to your affiliation. But you got to watch your affiliation. So when I see people playing and y'all are so green that y'all accept anything, but that's Dallas. Dallas will get you killed. I don't fuck with Dallas. Dallas will get you fucked up out here, right? Y'all see people being like, hey, I'm Team Mo3. I came in this game Mo3, 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 Mo3. Hey, long live 3. Mo3 day, Mo3 event, release party, Mo3. Mo3, 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 Mo3. I'm the Mo3 advocate. I want justice for 3. Mo3, Mo3, Mo3. But all along, the narrative is being pushed that it's Keywan and Devin. There's this whole time the narrative is completely pushed to the point where it's Keywan and Devin in everyone's eyes, right? Everyone has been brainwashed to believe that Devin Brown was so jealous that Mo3 was over there knocking Jossie's tracks loose that he said, you know what, Keywan? We're riding over there tonight, buddy. We're taking Mo3 out. And Keywan said, you know what? I don't got a reason to do it. There's nothing in it for me. Fuck it. Let's go. Let's go throw our lives away, right? That's allegedly what happened. And that's what everybody wanted y'all to believe. Salute to Cookie Dog for the $5. I appreciate you, Cookie Dog. Salute for the $5. Salute, salute, salute. Angie, thank you for the $5. Says, you're the chosen one. Salute. I appreciate Angie for the 5-piece. I appreciate you. Salute, salute, salute. All right, we got 1,000 people in here, man. Let's go. Let's go. Double tap the screen to get the likes up, man. So, where was I at, bro? I lost my train of thought. Somebody fill me back. What the hell did I just say? Somebody fill me back in. What the hell was I just saying? I lost my damn train of thought. It said, I've been 3 and never switched. Oh, yeah. I was saying, they were so team Mo3. Mo3 this, Mo3 that, Mo3 this, right? Then all of a sudden, the narrative is completely in everyone's mind that it's Keywan and Devin. But fast forward to 2025, now we got a Yella Beezy arrest, where Yella Beezy court hearing. We starting to see that they got some evidence that Yella Beezy set this whole thing up. And now, boom, Jerry Johnson gets hit with it. Theodore is in this, Jose Bodega. It's a Trap Boy Freddy's name gets called. Everybody's starting to come out the woodworks and be called to this trial. The trial is on the way. The trial is on the way. Yella Beezy, Jerry Johnson, Rainwater, Jossie, Jackie, Randall Graham got to pop out and testify. Jose Bodega. The list goes on of people who are being called, and we're starting to see people pop out in paperwork, and people are being connected and linked to Mo3's demise. Now it's starting to look like the information that came out in the beginning was the real information. RatchetTV was giving us all of these names that are being called to this stand is everyone Ratchet told us was involved in this shit. Every single person that is sitting on the stand, whether it be for the defense or for the prosecution, And I don't think that the defense is gonna have no damn witnesses, but every state witness and everyone involved in this trial are characters that Ratchet TV presented to you and told you these are the people. Here we go. I told you in 2021, these are your characters. Now, all of a sudden, we fast forward into 2025. Now, everyone who was Team Mo3 before 2024, now they starting to see that they people are wrapped up into this. Now it's, hey, I'm neutral, fam. Nah, bro, I don't really got no horse in this race, man. I'm neutral. If Yella didn't do it, I want to see him come home. Matter of fact, I think Yella's being framed. I think Yella Beezy is being set up. I think that they don't got no evidence. I really want to see him walk. I think I want to make bets to everybody that Yella Beezy walks. All of a sudden, you making bets that Yella Beezy walks? You're that confident, huh? Like, what Mo3 fan is making a bet? Who is for Mo3 in this room right now that's making a bet that Yella Beezy walks? Who wants to bet like that as a Mo3 fan? So now the truth is starting to come out. Now so now you're starting to play the music. Now we're starting to listen to your affiliation. Now the people you're bringing next to you are telling everybody, oh yeah, I was at the club with Trap last night. So you're real close to this shit. Oh, you're real close. So let's not move the goalposts. Let's not let nobody distract. Ratchet TV ain't close to any of these people. Ratchet TV has nothing invested into this. If they were mad at Ratchet TV, I think the worst time that they could have been mad at me is 2021, 2022, when I'm dropping bombs every fucking night. Right? I'm talking every night. I'm all in y'all business. And was giving out facts. And they still was coming over here doing interviews. Man, these motherfuckers ain't beefing with me, dog. I'm not affiliated with any of these people. But certain people have to watch their affiliations. So now we starting to see it's brewing, it's cooking. So today, some shit popped off. But before we get to today, let's get to what's going on behind bars right now. They're trying to call up people because they want to steer this narrative. I gave y'all that. Now, when I see someone rebuttal and they cannot say Ratchet TV lied about anything. You can't say I lied. I gave facts. I gave out facts of people are reaching out to talk to you. You dropped something. You know what you did. You know what you're involved in. You know the price that you're going to have to ultimately pay for what you did. And you know you violated. And you know you're affiliated with these people. So you really playing on everybody top. But pretty soon the mask will come off of you and people going to see you for exactly who you are. But I do believe when people really find out who you are, it'll be way too fucking late. I don't trust you even a little bit. Look, I know you're a snake. And you'll bite the fuck out of anybody. Like there's certain shit that's went on around you that, come on, we both know that. Yeah. We both know who you are. Let's keep that a buck. I said we already seen without the wig. Man. What did Candy say? She said I know it's a bag on my head. You said what? Say that again, Candy. Candy, do you believe there's a bag on old girl head? Let me ask y'all in the chat. Hey, chat, do y'all really believe that there's a bag on old girl head? If you believe there's a bag, drop the gems. If you think it's cap, drop the caps. If you think that there's a bag on the old girl head, drop the gems. If you think she's lying, drop the caps. If you think this is all a game, drop the caps. Let me know in the chat. If y'all think it's a bag on her head, drop the gems. If you think there's no bag, drop the caps. She said, hell yeah. She said, she talked too damn much. I'm not familiar with Candy recap. No. Not Candy. We ain't talking about Candy having a bag on her head. Candy is put him on Blast TV. I just know her by Candy. So I call her Candy. So I'm talking to put him on blast. So it looks like a lot of people believe that this bag is true. I'm going to tell y'all straight up. Now, I know. I'm gonna say. I don't know how to. Is there a bag? I don't know that. I know that there is. I know that there are people. Let me just say this. Fuck it. I know. I know people want to unalive her. I know that. Yeah, I do know. I don't know who they are, but I'm just saying. Is the word around that some people might want to do something to her? Yeah, definitely some shit floating around. But it's coming from jail. That's the thing. It's coming from jail. I don't think it's necessary. Well, it's coming from the streets to jail. I can't. I don't know how to put it into words. It's coming from the streets because the streets are watching everything, but the people on the inside are starting to get tied. People got ongoing cases. Names is being brought up. Some people is in the free world. Names is being brought up. Some people don't want to be linked to some other shit, and people being watched because the RICO is happening and the feds is in town, and you kind of it's a lot going on. That's all I can say. I don't really know how to put it into words, but you can kind of put yourself in a lot of people business who you've been doing some weird shit, and people are looking at you like, fam, you know you tied into some other shit, so why are you even playing? So as far as a bag, I don't know if there's necessarily a bag, but I do know that some people might just want to get her up out their way, allegedly. Allegedly. And everything I say is alleged and it's all under the Fair Use Act. And you can see the fair use disclaimer in the description of this video and in the description of all my videos. This is just for entertainment and educational purposes only. This is just to educate my people on what we've been covering over here. Like I said, it's all under the Fair Use Act. And you can see the fair use disclaimer in the description of this video. And everything I say is alleged. Allegedly. I don't think I said my disclaimer. So, and you can't play both sides. No, most definitely you can't. Hold on, I gotta charge my damn phone. Give me a second, y'all. Hold on. All right, I charge my damn phone. All right, so I do wanna show y'all something too. Give me a second. Let me pull this up. Man. All right, hold on. Let me go over here and do it right here. All right, so boom. All right, here we go. Excuse me. All right, so let me move my. Let's come over here. I want to show y'all something. Man. All right, y'all see this shit right here, right? So let's pull this up like this. So basically, this is to be and appear before Criminal District Court 7, Dallas County, Texas, at a courthouse of said county in the city of Dallas on the 10th day of November 2025 at 8:30 a.m. Then and there to testify as a witness in behalf of the state in a criminal action pending in said court wherein the state of Texas is plaintiff and White Kiwan Dontrell, Deuces Tecum or Tecum, however you say that, and it says, and that she bring with him, her, and produce in said court at said time and place, not applicable. And then desired evidence in said criminal action to wit in a certain suit pending in said court. So out of county, whatever. So basically, this is a confidential subpoena. And they got the red stamp on this bitch. I don't know if y'all can see the red seal on this motherfucker. They got the red seal on this motherfucker to show that this is confidential. So we got confidential subpoenas that have been placed. And there's also some words that are going in on the inside. Now, the word that's coming out from the inside is at least according to Kiwan. According to Kiwan, let me ask this. Let me do this real quick before I even get back into that. Let's ask ChatGPT. Let me see. Let's see. Why would there be a confidential subpoena in a murder trial with a red sealed stamp? What would that mean for a confidential subpoena for a witness?
So, a confidential subpoena in a murder trial basically means that the court is trying to keep certain information under wraps. When you see that red sealed stamp, it typically means the document is not meant for public eyes and is being protected to ensure the safety or privacy of a witness. In a lot of cases, it's done to protect witnesses who might be at risk of intimidation or harm if their involvement became widely known. It can also be about protecting the integrity of the investigation, like making sure that certain details don't get leaked and affect the trial. So, in a nutshell, it's all about confidentiality and protection.
So, could this be the star witness in the case or no?
Absolutely, it could be. Often, when there's a confidential subpoena like that, it might be for a key witness, someone whose testimony is crucial. The court is essentially trying to shield that witness from any kind of external pressure or risk, especially if they're a star witness whose testimony could make or break the case. So, yeah, it's definitely a strong possibility.
Now, if you're looking at the Mo3 case, could Trap Boy Freddy be a potential star witness, key witness in this case?
So, looking at the Mo3 case, it's definitely been a topic of a lot of speculation and rumors. Trap Boy Freddy has been mentioned in discussions around that case a lot of times, partly because of the history of beefs in that whole scene. Now, whether he could be a potential star witness or key witness really depends on what information he might have or what the prosecution or defense thinks he knows. If there's a confidential subpoena involved, it's possible that someone like him or someone in a similar position could indeed be called in that kind of capacity. But of course, without direct confirmation, it's mostly informed speculation. It definitely wouldn't be out of the question, though.
Well, I do know firsthand that Trap Boy Freddy has been subpoenaed and he is testifying on behalf of the state against Keywan White.
Oh, got it. Well, that definitely adds a whole layer of clarity. If you know firsthand that Trap Boy Freddy has actually been subpoenaed and he's testifying for the state, then yeah, he is definitely stepping into that key witness role. That would explain the need for confidentiality, and it also shows just how significant his testimony is going to be in that whole situation. So yeah, it looks like he's going to be a pretty pivotal figure in that case.
I rest my case. I rest my case. I rest my case. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. All right, so I rest my case. What y'all think about that? Man. So Trap Boy Freddy, because what I've been hearing on the what I've been hearing on the internet, on behind the walls, what I've been hearing from the inmates behind the walls, what I've been hearing from the inmates behind the walls is allegedly Key One is saying that Trap Boy Freddy is the star witness on his case. And allegedly there's some crazy ass subpoenas going down. We don't know who these confidential subpoenas are. Could it be Trap Boy Freddy? What do y'all think? Who are these confidential subpoenas for? Who do y'all think is fixing to testify and it's a confidential subpoena? Y'all let me know in the chat. What does that? I just told y'all what this red seal meant. You just heard her speak for herself what this red seal meant. This means that we need to protect this at all costs. We can't risk none of this information getting leaked on who we whooping. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it a big buck. So that was signed August 28th. You know what I'm talking about? All right, so that was signed August 28th. So what y'all think about that, chat, before we continue? It says Spence and Trap. There's a list of them. Crazy. It said, if you gotta send me something, Honey Trap, my phone is good to go. You can hit me up on that 682 number. I don't believe it. Paperwork doesn't name. Hold on, it said what? Hold on, let me go to that comment. You said I don't believe it. Paperwork doesn't name street names, only government names. What are you talking about? You don't believe what? This paperwork clearly is naming Keywan Dontrell White. What are you talking about? The only paperwork that I'm showing you has regular names. What are you talking about? You don't believe it? It's not showing no street. Ain't nobody's street name on here. What are you talking about? So I don't believe it. I don't know what the hell you talking about. It said could be some of those people from that side of the highway are saying they shot up a truck too, and his phone was on 8%. Said what street names? I don't know what street names they talking. I don't know what the hell they talking about. I said it's so many people involved. Watch it turn into a RICO. I'm telling you, bro, it is. I'm telling you, it is. Said they didn't read. Yeah, I don't know what the hell they talking about. Ain't nobody's street name gonna be on that paperwork. Yeah, ain't, you don't see not one street name on this motherfucker. What are you talking about? This is a confidential subpoena with no information on it. It just says this is someone who they're not gonna say who it is, I guess, not yet. But they're protecting certain people. There's certain people that they're calling to the Mo3 case, and they do not want people to know who they are. They've already leaked another list already anyway. That's the crazy part. They've already leaked the damn list. All right, so let's go. Let's continue, y'all. So Banzo Bling says, I want to apologize to my family for leaving my brother when he needed me the most. Ain't nobody had my back like he did. I know he watching me from upstairs. I've been going through a lot, and I don't have nobody to talk to it about. Born paid Ducky P. A slat. So that's Banzo Bling. Basically, I'm telling y'all, he giving up on life in there. He know it's over. Trap Boy Freddy finna come finish you off, dog. He thought it was loyalty, and now he realizing Brian ain't got nobody. He already gave up in one of them Blue Couch interviews. He went over there with the Blue Couch boys and basically said, I'm willing to do the M, but I just take the for hire off, man. I didn't get paid, man. Come on, just take the hire off. But allegedly, it's being stated that somebody has information that Banzo Bling, aka Keywan White, took $40,000 for this hit. Allegedly. I don't know. This is what's possibly gonna come out, y'all. I'm just giving y'all some information from the inside. They saying that somebody's gonna come along the way and say Keywan got paid $40,000 for this hit. And that $40,000 is the same $40,000 that Yella Beezy allegedly took out of his bank account, and that same 40,000 somehow ended up into an undercover cop bank account. Allegedly. That same money from the Mo3 hit ended up in a bank account. And then, if y'all remember correctly, when Keywan first got locked up, they froze all his accounts. I don't know if y'all remember that. So that I'm starting to remember that made sense now, because Keywan, remember, he was trying to do interviews at first, like in 2021. He was like, "Hey y'all remember?" He was like, "Hey y'all, yeah, they froze all my accounts. I can't do nothing, man. So hey, hit this cash app, man." And that's whenever I hit him up, that's what he wanted me to do. He wanted me to hit him with a little cash app just so he can put some money on his books, because they froze all his accounts. That's how. Whenever me and Keywan first talked, he needed some money on his books. He didn't have shit, because they froze all his accounts, so he didn't have access to none of his money. But now it goes to show that all these years later, they might have froze your account because they was trying to see where this money came from, because they hit your account, but your account was hit with a cop was up in your account. So I don't know. But somehow, some way, that money got intercepted, and maybe he didn't get paid. Maybe he did. I don't know. But they saying Keywan White definitely took $40,000 for the Mo3 hit, allegedly. But allegedly it was supposed to be $80,000. I don't know what Jerry did with the money, because Jerry is supposed to be the one with the money, allegedly. But real soon, y'all gonna be able to see firsthand that all this information is factual, and it's gonna come out when people start hitting that stand, bro. I don't even know that they letting the public get access to this shit because a lot of people are gonna be wanting to go tune into this shit because this is going to be like a soap opera. I'm telling y'all, this is gonna be the most anticipated trial, I would say, since Diddy, of course. But I think it's bigger than the Diddy trial. I think it's just as big as the OJ trial, and I think it's bigger than I think this is bigger than JFK. I think all that shit. But me personally, I think that this goes down as possible. This has the opportunity to present itself as the greatest case known to man. That's how big I think that this case is. This is a big fucking case because let's just hypothetically speak for a second. If they go to trial and Keywan and Devin and Yella Beezy walk, oh, the streets is done. The streets is done. Now, if they go to trial and all three of them get convicted along with everybody else, and it goes down as a huge list of people that go down for the unaliving of Mo3, because I think they got 5 people, so 5 people can ultimately go down for this. Yeah, that would be crazy. But you know, if Yella Beezy walks alone, that's huge. I don't know. Either way it goes, this case is just gonna be very. It's gonna be a very big case. It's gonna be like a soap opera. I think that the players are gonna play, and I just think it's gonna be a game of chess, prosecution versus defense. And I don't really see Keywan White's lawyers being good at all enough to beat M for hire case. So I think Keywan most definitely is gone for sure. Devin Brown is a wild card because I'm just only wondering if he took a proffer. If Devin Brown took a proffer and goes against Keywan, that's really his only way out. And I think that he would have to give information on Keywan and Yella in order to get out of this for a sweet deal. This would be the only way for Devin Brown to make it off this. Because I think that the M for hire, Devin Brown possibly won't go down for, but I think he's the person who knows that there was an M for hire charge. Because from what I've been told is that Devin Brown is the person who gave up the information about the $40,000 and Yella Beezy having the 40,000. That's when they went and looked at Yella Beezy records, and he definitely pulled out $40,000 right around the time that Devin Brown is talking about. So that's how they. So I don't know. Devin Brown would have to give up Yella Beezy for sure. He would have to be a witness on Yella Beezy's case, and he would also have to get up on that stand and admit that he knew everything and admit that Yella Beezy was the one who promised him or was talking about the money. So I think he puts Yella Beezy into this shit. Keywan is going to stand stiff and act like he don't know and play the fucking dumb role like an idiot. Keywan ultimately is going to get life without parole and death penalty, whatever. I just hope he get the maximum whatever he can get because he's just dumb. So I don't even see him cooperating. I just see him being, oh no, shit. Oh no, man. I don't know them people, man. We on trial, man. I don't know, man. All that goofy shit. You know, he's special as hell, so I see him doing some dumb shit like that, and then, oh, you know what? Pack his goofy ass up. Put his slow ass in there for the rest of his life. Bye. And then Devin, I don't think he gets life. I think in the end, Devin gets about 25, 30 for his role. And I think Devin Brown, in order for him to get a sweeter deal than that, like 15 to 20, he would have to give up Yella Beezy, and then Yella Beezy would go to trial. He would have to testify against Yella Beezy. But Trap Boy Freddy getting up there is going to be, what is Trap Boy Freddy going to do? Is Trap Boy Freddy, because I heard that he is fixing to give up Keywan. Keywan is done. They giving up Keywan. For sure. He going to say something that's going to implicate that Keywan definitely did this shit. I believe that I believe that Trap is sent up there by the streets to get Keywan the fuck up out the way. They gonna end up unaliving Keywan in the state. They gonna get Keywan and when he touched down to TDC, they gonna get Keywan. Once he starts serving his state time, they definitely gonna we gonna hear a story about Keywan getting whoop-de-whooped. You notice how his friends came up when he got poked in jail and nothing had happened to him allegedly. But his friends came out that rumor because his friends is going to be the one to set him up in the end. That's how it's going to go down for him. They're going to set him up on the outside. They're going to set him up from the outside on the inside. Mark my word, Keywan ain't gonna make it another 2 or 3 years. He finna be done. Keywan. Keywan in the Duckster. Man. Just both slow as hell. R.I.P. to Ducky P though. But Lord have mercy. It's a Ratchet I meet the captain that works on Keywan's tower. She came to my job. For real? I've been hearing a lot about Keywan. I heard Keywan was doing a lot of talking in there too. That's what a lot of people tell me. They said Keywan is doing a lot of talking. Let's keep that a big buck. So as we see right here, as we proceed to give you what you need. These kids right here, man. These boys just. And y'all heard how Ducky P got set up, right? Y'all know I still got that video. And that's crazy. I never released that video. I released it on I believe I released it on Discord. That was the only time I ever released a video. But I still got the video of Ducky P. That's how I know what happened to him. See, y'all be telling I don't got connections. Why nobody else got that video that I got? Why don't nobody got the video of Ducky P getting whoop-de-whoop? Why nobody got the video, man? Why Ratchet? And you notice they ain't even trying to solve that motherfucking case either, allegedly. But I definitely got that Ducky P video still. And I remember how they said he got set up too. And I think that that's why Keywan know Jerry did it, because Jerry already know Keywan like them boys, them whoop-de-whoops. You know what I'm saying? He know what type Keywan likes. Also, Keywan wasn't the only one. You got to know that Keywan and Ducky, they were kids together doing a lot of wild, weird stuff. And I don't know if y'all ever heard of that girl Armani's books or shit. She had like these weird fantasy things, and I don't know, man. I would just say, and then there was some books being wrote by Keywan in jail, and Keywan kind of admitted that him and Armani had some weird stuff since he was a kid, and I don't know, it was a bunch of weird shit. So this is the newest docket for Devin. They just asked for FNBT, that's First National Bank and Trust, and the other one, and is another one too. Yellow Beezy has new docs I sent. I bet. Man. So we getting some new documents sent in right now. Hold on, give me a second. This is I haven't got this one yet. Let me send this one to myself. These are the newest ones, but see the difference. Some are confidential and the others are regular. I think the court messed up and accidentally published the document for the confidential one. Yeah, they doing that on purpose. They trying to throw this damn case off on purpose. I'm telling you. All right, so I'm finna send all this to myself. Give me a second, y'all. Give me a second while I send this to myself. Diamond. All right, my bad, y'all. All right, let me send these documents to myself real quick. These documents coming in as I'm on live, so I need to show y'all these documents. Give me a second, y'all. All right, let's go to. Y'all got to forgive me. I'm working while I'm working. All right, that's 2. All right, now let me send this to myself on Instagram. All right, I'm almost ready, y'all. Which one is this? Okay. I just got something else sent to me. Hold on. I said this is Yellow Beezy bank subpoena. Okay, boom. I got Yellow Beezy bank subpoena too. All right, let me send this to myself. Last one. All right, this is the last one, y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all. All right, salute to V Will for that $20. I appreciate you, V Will. Salute. Thank you so much. Hey, we at $190, y'all. We $10 away from 200 buns, gang. We $10 away. We $10 away, gang. All right, they got sent to me. All right, let me go over here and download these motherfuckers. Give me 1 second, gang. Man. All right, let's go over here. I got 3 documents. Look, save. 2. All right, boom. All right, I got the documents. All right, let's continue. Let's continue, gang. My bad. Man. Salute to the certified one for that 10-piece. I appreciate you. Says, here you go, Ratchet. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Salute. All right, we're going to get to all this shit in just a second, gang. All right. Man. I'm in the streets for real. Recap of my day in Dallas. Artist from Dallas. Paid an artist in Dallas last night. Gave a few artists in Dallas their first show. Did a media run. Did an interview with Big D, the mogul. Spoke on a panel with some great Dallas global. Interesting. All these names are starting to pop back up. Salute to Paul for the $5. I appreciate you, Paul. Salute. And then it's the document I showed y'all earlier of the confidential subpoena. So that's the confidential subpoena once again for the person that said that's very real paperwork right there. I don't present fake paperwork. So here's another confidential subpoena application. 9/3/2025 issued confidential subpoena. MM. And then this one was issued on 9/3/2025 TN. 9/3/2025 unserved. They had a couple of unserved subpoenas in the Mo3 case. So they're still serving out subpoenas for people to come testify. Check this out. New paperwork on Keywan White file. There is new confidential subpoena for this person, Scott Morris. I looked up that name and found his IG and this post. Look what I highlighted. 2 big names on there, Big D the mogul and Dallas Global Media. So that's what I had just showed y'all a couple of posts ago right here. And that's one of the people. Whoop-de-whoop. Man. It's starting to get interesting. So it's looking like they might have made a little slip. They might have made some little slips here along the way. Allegedly. All right. This is crazy. That subpoena for Scott Morris has red confidential stamped all over, and the other subpoenas do not look like that. Then those 2 names he mentions, Big D passed away and Dallas Global. It's a lot I think the police know. The police definitely know it now, and they know these bloggers been setting up plays. They've been watching, bro. I'm telling you, the cops are watching all the blogs. Trust me, the cops are tuned in to all this shit. 111 on the video you did today. Go back and listen. You missed it. Rain said, I always wanted to do business with the other side to bring down Yellow. So Rain has been playing both sides for a long time. Rain is playing a dangerous game. I don't know how much longer Rain is going to be able to make it. He's been able to weasel his way around a lot of shit, but I don't think Rain going to be able to make it much longer, man. I'm going to be real. He just starting to do a little bit too much. He getting in all the gangsters' business. I'm talking about all of their business. So let's continue. I have reviewed the pretrial risk assessment, the financial affidavit, and this is the state of Texas versus Keywan. And it says probable cause affidavit, and I have considered your financial situation. I have considered granting you a personal bond only in cases where this is not prohibited by Texas law. See Texas Code of Criminal Procedures, case number, offense capital, unaliving, and it says no court assigned for the case referenced above. I am denying a personal bond and setting bail at no bond because safety of victim/community. Bond setting based on the defendant's arrest history, facts of the offense, bond setting based on the defendant's criminal history. Signed 8/30 at 2025. So Keywan was trying to get bonded out. Nah, nigga, you're a flight risk. You're out of here. You finna try to flee. Dallas County magistrates do not endorse in any way hold jurisdiction over bonds or bond conditions set by the municipal courts or district county judges if a Dallas County magistrate has provided an arraignment hearing for the defendant on a bond that was already set by another court. It is to ensure the defendant has been informed of their rights, to ensure their cases are properly entered into the Dallas County database, to communicate their election of counsel to appointing authorities, and to communicate their desire for consular protections from their county or origin. Communicating a bond that has already been set by another court does not in any way have jurisdiction of that court. So yeah, they basically just denied his damn bond. He trying to bond out. He ain't getting out. Keywan, your goofy slow ass finna sit up there for the rest of your life, dog. I don't know why. I don't know who the hell told you you was finna get out. You out. You out of there, bro. You done. Let's look at this one. The state of Texas. Which one is this? This is arraignment sheet. I am Luis Melody of Dallas County, Texas, sitting as magistrate. Do hereby certify that 8/30/2025 at 7:44 a.m. Sitting in 111 Commerce City, Dallas, Texas, appeared Keywan Dontrell White, being a person under arrest, and I have in clear language informed the person arrested of the accusation against him, of any affidavit filed herewith, of his right to retain counsel and his right to appoint of counsel if he is indigent, and it says, and cannot afford counsel, and of his right to remain silent, and of his right to have an attorney present during any interview with peace officers or attorneys representing the state, and of his right to terminate the interview at any time, and of his right to have an examining trial. I informed the person arrested that he does not have to make any statement at all, and that any statements made by him may be used as evidence against him on his trial for the offense concerning which the statement is made. I informed the person arrested that reasonable time and opportunity would be allowed for him to consult counsel, and of his right to bail if allowed by law. I also informed the person arrested that if he is not a citizen of the United States, that he may have the right to contact, well, he is, so we don't got to worry about that. And so he's in here for capital unaliving in Dallas County. So that's why he's here. He has to find a lawyer. Keywan doesn't even have a lawyer. They're still telling him about it. He keeps talking about he got a lawyer, his lawyer coming to visit him. I don't know who that is coming to visit you or what you got going on, but they trying to basically say you ain't got a lawyer. Keywan, I don't know what you got going on, fam. I really don't know what you got going on, but your ass finna be up out of there. You think that this shit is a game, and that's your problem. You think shit's sweet. That's Keywan's biggest problem. He think everything is sweet. So here we go on this one. Now, what is this? This is J.P. Morgan Chase Bank to be and appear before Criminal District Court 7 courthouse. And it says on the 9th day of January, so January 9th, 2026 at 9 a.m. to testify on behalf of the state in a criminal action against Marquise Conway, which is Yella Beezy. So this is a subpoena for J.P. Morgan Chase Bank. So look, they didn't already got the subpoena for Yella Beezy ready for, if y'all can't see that, that's Chase Bank basically saying, Yella Beezy, we coming for them damn bank records, and we got them to testify in this case. We bringing your bank to testify. So Chase Bank is testifying on behalf of the state against Yella Beezy. His ass is cooked. His ass is cooked. I'm telling y'all right now, Yella Beezy is cooked. Let's see. I got another one. Let's see. That's in the bank, and then I got okay, that's what I'm looking at now. This is on Yella Beezy bank subpoena, and it says, this is the judge denying Yella Beezy motion to work until they get more detail. Oh no, yeah, your ass ain't working. Hold on. Look at this, y'all. Let me send that to myself. Yeah, Yella Beezy, your ass ain't finna work nothing. Fuck Yella Beezy. Yeah, talking about he want to go work. Man, you should have been working this whole time. You should have been a hard citizen working, a hard working citizen. You should have been a hard-working citizen this whole damn time. Now you wanna work. Nah, it's too late, bro. Let me download this last one. Hold on, y'all. It's too late, fam. All that crying and shit. All right. Diamond, stop. All right, let me grab this document real quick, y'all. Man. All right. Here we go, right here. And it says, I really honestly don't even know if I can read there. For something to modify bond conditions, allowing defendant to work out G Studios. I cannot read what the fuck that says. Y'all can read that shit. I can't. It says something about G Studios. Something both sides. Something adjourned. I don't know what the fuck that says, but basically it got denied. They was trying to say they want him to be able to still go to the studio and work on stuff. I don't know what the hell that say, but Honey Trap, what the hell does this say? Because I can't read that shit. I'm gonna be real. Their handwriting is horrible. That handwriting is horrible. I thought I'll be able to make that out. I don't know what the hell that say. It says send to the jail. Hey, you ain't getting out, bro. You ain't finna work. Ain't nothing finna go on with you, Yellow Bees. You trying to send notes to the judge and shit. So I can't read it. I can't read that shit either. I can't read that, put them on blast. I don't know what the hell they said. That's some sloppy ass handwriting. But basically, this was sent the other day on the 29th. Yeah, they're trying to modify the bond conditions and say he can work. That's something I can make out of it. It says something about the defendant working out at G Studios, something about both sides, and something more specific. That's all I can't really read what it say. But basically, they wanted Yellow Beezy to be able to still go to the studio, still work, and the judge like, nope, denied. Your ass trying to go kick it with Track Boy Freddy, and then we ain't stupid. So y'all think we stupid. You trying to go over there and hang out with Track Boy Freddy. Oh yeah, I gotta get this one too. Let me grab that one. Oops. All right, what is it? Okay, boom. All right, so let me go over here. So we got another confidential subpoena application. Some more confidential subpoenas for FNBT. And this has something to do with Devin Brown. They're going to go get Devin Brown's bank records and Yellow Beezy's. So what's going on between Devin Brown and Yellow Beezy? But they're going to get Devin Brown's and Yellow Beezy's. And this is another subpoena for TN. It doesn't say, it says unserved for TN, confidential subpoena application, comment MM, comment TN. And it says it's unserved. Both of them are unserved, but they got more confidential witnesses coming. There's more confidential witnesses coming, dog. This is gonna be crazy work. But the judge did deny Yellow Beezy's conditions. It ain't happening, Yellow Beezy. Your ass is going to jail, so you're not gonna be able to work. This shit is over. It's terrible handwriting from attorney. Yeah, that was an attorney writing that crazy ass shit. Like, damn, dog. Fuck wrong with you? The hell wrong with you writing like that, dog? What the hell? Let's keep it a big buck. Let's keep it a big buck. Man. So now we all starting to see how these plays have been made, man. Like, this is crazy work to see all these plays, dog. I don't know how else to call it down the line and tell y'all that y'all have been lied, have been bamboozled. They've led y'all astray. Y'all have been linked up with Mo3 ops this whole time. How does that make y'all feel? That y'all been sitting over here linked up with Mo3 ops the whole time. I mean, I feel for some of y'all, but for some people, I'm just like, man, y'all deserve to be tricked. Some of y'all deserve the shit because y'all definitely played a big part in tearing the whole Mo3 shit down, and that's why there's no justice for Mo3 right now. But they're gonna have to go to this trial and get people to talk. But right before trial, they trying to run plays on everybody right now. They still playing on y'all top. They still playing on y'all intelligence. They just running play after play. Like people want a storyline in this shit. Like, bro, this is a man's death that we're covering. Could y'all be any more classless and about me, I, me. This is all y'all give a fuck about is yourselves. I can't wait for this trial to be over so y'all can finally know the truth and y'all can finally stop fucking with these people. Because when I tell y'all at the end of this, y'all gonna come back and tell me, Ratchet, you was right about everything you said. I'm gonna say, I know. I'm gonna be as cocky as I can be, and I'm gonna look at you right. If we on StreamYard, I'm gonna turn my camera on. I'm gonna tell you to turn yours on. And I'm gonna say, I know. I don't need an apology. I just want y'all to just know the fucking truth so we can move on from this shit. That's what I want. I want y'all to know the fucking truth so we can all move past this shit. Because it's getting ridiculous the way that y'all just keep on clout chasing off Mo3. Shit is just getting ridiculous, dog. I'm sick of y'all disrespecting the man, disrespecting his family. Salute to Paul for that gifted membership. Yeah, all y'all do is disrespect Mo3, but claim y'all the biggest Mo3 supporters, Mo3 fans. Hell no. Y'all don't fuck with 3. Cause he wouldn't allow none of this stuff. Y'all think that this is what Mo3 would have wanted? This is what calling the police. Mo3 didn't fuck with no police. Calling CPS. Mo3 ain't calling no damn CPS. Calling people jobs, calling people mamas, and Mo3 ain't about none of that. Mo3 is pulling up, popping out, showing up, showing out. Mo3 ain't finna call your mama. Mo3 ain't finna call your grandpa. Mo3 not finna get you fired from your job. Mo3 finna catch you in them streets, and he putting hands and feet, and he's sliding. He's sliding you like a damn hockey puck. Let's keep it a buck. Mo3 gonna put hands and feet on you. Then he gonna slide you around like a damn hockey puck if he catch you on a late night tip. Ask Yellow Beezy. That nigga was scrambling and scraping looking for shit in that damn car when Mo3 pulled up on the side of him. Let's keep that a big buck. Say Mo3 is mad at rainwater. Yo, wouldn't it be fucking crazy if Mo3 walks out in that damn trial? Like, I don't know that that happens, but how fucking crazy would it be if Mo3 literally walked in that damn courtroom? Could you imagine? Boy, this would be the craziest. I'm talking about that would be the craziest shit that ever happened in hip hop history. That would be crazy, real. Now that would be crazy work. Everybody gonna be scared. That ain't gonna lie. It's gonna be a lot of scary ass motherfuckers in the city of Dallas. There's gonna be a lot of people say, "Hey man, Mo3, I want to say I'm sorry, brother." It's gonna be a lot of people apologizing around this bitch. I said, "Man, Ratchet, that'll blow everybody mind." Nah, it would. That would be some crazy work. So that would be crazy. I would be happy as fuck. Death certificate. Yeah, I still ain't seen no death certificate though. That I have not seen. So I know I was saying the same thing. I haven't seen a death certificate and I've still been waiting to see one, but obviously they saying the family will be the only ones to see that, which I don't know why, but just because he doesn't have a physical body doesn't mean, hold on, what? Just because he doesn't have a physical body doesn't mean, let me find that damn comment. Doesn't mean he ain't still here. They are all still alive, just not in the physical body. There's a possibility that he might walk out. I'm just saying he might shit. Yeah, Miss Nicole ain't putting that out there. Miss Nicole won't say nothing. Yeah, I heard that too, that Michael Jackson is still alive. I don't believe nothing happened to a lot of these people. I don't believe nothing happened to Jeffrey Epster. I don't think nothing happened to Mike. I don't think nothing happened to Tupac. I don't really necessarily think nothing happened to 3. It's a few deaths that just XXX Tentacion. I still find a hard time believing that one. That one was very weird. I don't know if y'all remember that one. It's been a lot of weird stuff, bro. So I don't really believe a lot of what I hear. I just I just go with the flow. But if you do your homework on Mike, man, that's some crazy work what they did to Mike. This started as a spiritual case. And I believe it will end that way. This definitely did start off spiritual. If you go back from the very beginning of this case, that's when you got to give Quatita Dean her props. Like I always will tell y'all, it don't matter. I'm never gonna be a hater. I'm gonna be real. When this case first started, Quatita Dean, she had it. When it first started, she had it. She didn't realize what she had. She fumbled it tremendously, but she definitely had it in the beginning, but she most definitely fumbled it bad. But I can't agree with that statement that it started spiritual, it ends spiritual. I think that it's starting to get back into the spiritual element. I'm starting to see more of these people starting to, it's like their conscience is eating up at them. Can't you tell how 88 just, she's drinking nonstop? She can't stop drinking. She can't stop panicking. She can't stay off live. She knows something. That's why she want to be on live all day. She knows something is coming. She don't trust shit. She moving weird. She know it's coming. She's starting to act real out of her body. I'm chilling. Hey, man, I ain't worried about a motherfucking thing. I sleep like a baby every night. I don't got to be drunk. I don't got to be nothing. I'm cool. I can go to sleep like a baby just by being sleepy. I don't need nothing to help me sleep. You panicking. You know it's coming. You're scared. You're starting to get paranoid. You don't know what corner to turn in. You didn't talk so much shit on this internet, and now you don't realize that, yeah, people do. You clout chase. This is what you wanted. You wanted people to know you. Now they know you. This is what you wanted, though. Here you go. You want clout so bad, we gonna give it to you. Just like Finney and Manny. Them were goofy ass clout chasers. Finney's not here no more because he's a fucking clout chaser. Manny did what he did because he's a fucking clout chaser. These people could not stay off the fucking internet tormenting each other, doing dumb shit to the point where someone just fucking crashed out and caught a body right there on the Las Vegas Strip. Now everybody's life ruined. You want clout that bad? Here you go. Now you're famous. You wanted to be a big fucking star while doing this shit. You wanted everybody to look at you. Me, 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 me. Now everybody in the world's looking at you. Unalived. And everyone in the world's looking at you in jail for the rest of your fucking life. There you go. Have at it. Now you, little girl, you've been playing in a man's world. All right. And then it's always, why you want to do a woman like that? Look, women ain't putting themselves in the middle of the streets business unless they know what comes with that. Let's keep it a big buck. There ain't no women. There is no women in here that are going around jumping in the middle of some hood niggas business. And if you do, and you start bringing up bodies and unsolved cases, and you tied into the streets with a bunch of street niggas, what you think they finna do to you, girl? Oh, you're a woman. Oh, you think that women don't get it too? It's a lot of women who jumped in the middle of some street shit that can't talk about this shit no more. You know what they definitely will get you up out the way, one way or another. They definitely will get you quicker than they will get a dude. If you want to be technical about it, they will line your goofy ass right up. You keep putting yourself in the middle of these niggas' business if you want to, and then talking to these niggas crazy as hell. Like, girl, you crazy in the motherfucker. Who was the driver on the freeway? What driver? Which driver? They said, who was the driver on the freeway? Hold on, let me go back and read that comment. It said, who was the driver on the freeway? He didn't drive and shoot. On the freeway with Yellow Beezy? That was Bubba. Bubba and Mo3 was together. I don't know if that's the case you was talking about, but that was Bubba. I believe Peaches is setting Janitor up too. Look, Peaches is someone that nobody should trust. And I've warned everybody there from the beginning. And this ain't nothing y'all ever seen me go back. You ain't never seen me around none of these people, dog. You ain't never seen me around none of these damn people. Keep it a big buck. You ain't never caught RatchetTV with these people. I don't fuck with them. You ain't getting the ups on me, so Keywan. Oh, I don't know who was driving in this shit, but I don't think Keywan was necessarily alone. They say he was. I still think that car next to him was working with him though. That silver car. I still think that silver car was working with him the whole time. I'm just gonna keep it a big buck. That's what I think. So Peaches is sent to Washington. Peaches is here to watch everybody real close. It's crazy that Keywan went looking for you right after you got tied into the girl he fell in love with. That's crazy work, right? All of a sudden, Keywan White is reaching out to 80. Oh, I need to talk to you. We need to speak. But that's because that damn fake ass PI lady been kicking it with your ass every day. Now all of a sudden, Keywan wants to talk to you. Then he's like, never mind, I'm good on her. Then Rain feeding you a video, and you ain't even asking yourself why Rain give me this damn video and put me right in the line of fucking fire. But then in the same breath say, but no, Rainwater's not setting me up. Rainwater's got nothing to do with anything. Rain is innocent. Rain would not do that. And then they're like, well, hold on. Rain sent you the video? Because I'm the one who exposed it, Rain. That's what I'm saying. How do I know all this shit? I'm figuring out all y'all business. And now all of a sudden, Rain sent you the video. I get Rain to snitch on himself. How does Ratchet TV get his hands on that? Now you should be asking yourself, Rain sent me this damn video. Nobody else was supposed to see this shit. Why would he give it to me to expose? And then now that I expose it, now everybody and their mama looking for me, but Rain ain't got nothing to do with it. Rain knew exactly what he was doing. Rain knew exactly what he gave you a video to make it say Trap Boy. He was trying to say Trap Boy Freddy's a snitch. He gave you a video to put it out that Trap Boy Freddy's a snitch right before this case. Y'all are trying to throw this fucking case off. That's what y'all are trying to do. Y'all are making a horrible attempt at throwing this fucking case. I don't know what weird games y'all are playing with this man, Mo3, but it's sick and it's sad. And some of y'all should be ashamed of yourselves that y'all still tune into this shit every day, acting like it's new fucking news that y'all finna get. Y'all ain't finna get no damn new news from that motherfucker. That motherfucker ain't finna tell y'all shit. When that little Ronnie shit happened, they told you they was affiliated with all these people. Y'all just didn't fucking listen. As soon as little Ronnie died, all they homeboys came up there from what is Murder Gang and shit. Yeah, I'm like, what in the hell? What the hell? Oh yeah, these are just my homeboys. These are just my boys, my buddies. These are my homeboys from the hood. And I'll be out on the block with them. Oh, now we figuring that shit out. Now we figuring that shit out. Somebody said, word on the streets, Ratchet better not show up at the trial. I'm just saying what I heard. I fuck with Ratchet. Man, look, dog. 80, you better tell your damn daddy to keep my motherfucking name out of his mouth. I told them niggas they fuck with Ratchet. I'll open the floodgates. Now here go her daddy clout chasing, fam. This dude is a fucking groupie, dog. This dude is a fucking goofy. Talking about I told them to chill. You can't tell nobody shit, though. Shut your old ass up, fam. And shut your old ass up, nigga. You can't protect shit out here, nigga. Fuck you. Fuck you talking about, dog. You talking about, word on the street is Ratchet better not show up to the trial. I told them little niggas to chill. Man, fuck you and them little niggas. Fuck you talking about, dog. That's what I'm saying, dog. You clout chasing ass motherfucker. Man, what's this? He better pray to God I can't find his number. Let me find his damn number. Man, he better hope I don't find his number. He better pray I don't find his damn number. Let's see. I'm trying to think of something I said to him. Damn it. I can't find his fucking number, y'all. I can't find the motherfucker's number. He lucky. He lucky I can't find his number. I definitely will call this now. I'm gonna be looking for this shit too, because I know it's somewhere in my shit. I know it's somewhere in my shit. Man. I think I talked to him after I came back from New York, so yeah, it gotta be over in here somewhere. Got to be over in here somewhere. I'm gonna figure this shit out. Yeah, nigga, you finna keep my motherfucking name up out your mouth. You finna keep my name up out your motherfucking mouth. Damn it, I don't think it's over here. I can't find this nigga number, dog. Maybe it was before I went to New York. Maybe it was before. Either way. Oh, is that it? Hold on. Oh no, that ain't it. I was finna say I found it. That wasn't it. Oh well, I can't find it. Fuck. It's all good. Yeah, well I know he watching. So look, let me talk to you, brother. Since you always want to be up in my motherfucking business, tell your niggas I said fuck them. I don't care nothing about what you talking about. Tell me I bet not sure. I bet I'll be there. The fuck you talking about? Just like I was there last time, goofy ass nigga. You the one that didn't want to pop out. Remember that nigga. You the one that didn't want to pop out. I was there by my damn self. Said he been to prison and didn't warn her dumb ass. Man, he finna have his daughter right back up in there with his ass. Both of their ass finna be gone. Don't want to defend any because of their truth they put out. Yeah, what the fuck they talking about? Talking about word on the street, man. I ain't worried about no damn word on those streets, nigga. Fuck you talking about? So gossiping ass up, dog. Say Ratchet, why was Lil Ronnie in the last pick? I didn't know he was affiliated with Keyone. Because all these people are affiliated. All of them. All of these people are affiliated, fam. That's just an indirect way of trying to tell me you trying to put a drop together. Nigga, boy, I don't care nothing about that, fam. You better keep your motherfucking head on the swivel. That's all I can say. That's all I can tell you, brother. Keep your head on the swivel, man. Ratchet ain't going. I'm gonna just leave it like that. Ratchet ain't one of these niggas. I am not going. So what y'all are trying to do is distract. Ratchet, say must close the doors. Yeah, I ain't worried about that shit right now, dog. What they trying to do is distract the truth from coming out. Everybody's afraid for the truth to come out. That's why everybody is panicking. Everybody's sitting panicking. Panicking, panicking, panicking. Man. I'm starting to think that shit was true whenever they were starting to say that girl slept with her daddy, man. It's starting to make sense now, fam. I'm being real. It's starting to make sense. Something weird is going on in that damn whole situation anyway. So I think the girl did sleep with her damn daddy at this point. Shit, as loose as that motherfucker is. I'm starting to believe that shit. I'm being dead ass serious. I'm really starting to believe that. It's starting to make perfect damn sense. Because when she was stripping at that club, I remember he was right there. I said right, because he's way too invested. He's be watching. She be twerking. He be in the comments and shit. I'm like, bro, no. Fam, every dude in this room, if your daughter was online twerking, are you gonna be watching in the comments and shit? If your daughter is stripping at a club, are you gonna be? Is it gonna be the club that you, or it's your club and shit? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. That's some weird shit. That's some weird shit. That's kind of creepy, dog. They said he hit that pizza. Hold on. What? They said he hit that pizza. They said, is that the funk you was talking about the other day? Oh yeah, that's that funky ass motherfucker. They say that's some weird shit. I say, damn. They say weird. Candy, am I lying though? Like, come on, dog. You remember she was at that club, cheeks all out. Talking about cheeks out. Pops right there. Standing right. I'm talking about, wait, what the fuck is they got going on? I thought that was weird right there. Then people started coming out them rumors. I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. Ratchet, they like transmissions. He hit that. Yeah, he definitely hit that. I said, that's nasty as hell. I said, wow, I ain't making this shit up. There's facts. Let's keep it a big buck. Yeah, but I don't like the nigga gossiping about me. They need to keep my motherfucking name out his mouth. That's all I need him to do, keep my motherfucking name out his mouth, because I've been in, cussed his ass out, dog. Man. This is what her dad asked her. And he asked, are you CUM drunk or something? This dude don't give a dang about you. But I got my Lokes on it though. He can play stupid games and definitely get a stupid. This is they're weird, bro. I'm talking about them people are fucking weird. I think they're having sex. I just think they're nasty and disgusting. Something is very weird with. Yeah, I don't know who talks to their kids like that, bro. I'm not talking to my daughter like that, fam. That's weird. Type of nigga to walk around your daughter walk around you in booty shorts and shit, bro. Like, yeah, that's weird. And you jealous and stuff. I don't know. I don't know, man. That shit weird. That shit weird. She be dancing on the internet. Nigga be right there. She be twerking and shit. I don't know, fam. I'm starting to believe y'all definitely did something. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. I'm gonna be the one that's gonna get on the internet and say I'm never coming to Dallas, man. Dallas is loose. I've been trying to tell y'all this for a long time, fam. Y'all see it in the Mo3 case. Look at the characters around the Mo3 situation, fam. You better not trust nothing in Dallas. These girls is loose. If y'all niggas start dating a girl from Dallas, bro, just ask her what part of Dallas she from. Really, I'm be honest. If a girl tell me she's from Dallas anywhere, and I don't give a damn if it's North Dallas, South Dallas, East Dallas, West Dallas. If she tell me she from Dallas, Pleasant Grove, Oak Cliff, I'm cool. Like, nah, I don't even fuck with girls from Dallas. You better be from like Plano, you know what I'm saying? Far north of Dallas, you know what I'm saying? Farmers Branch, Allen, Plano, shit like that. Frisco, yeah. You better be from somewhere like that. I ain't. You tell me I'm from North Dallas, over there on Park Road. I mean on Park Lane. Nah, cool. I'm from Park Road, South Dallas. Nah, hell no. Nah. I'm from West Dallas. Hell no. Nah. I'm from East Side. No, hell no. Nah. I'm cool. Yeah, don't fuck with no girl in Dallas. I'm being dead ass serious. They say just check the STD rate. I think Dallas has the highest. Well, at one point, Dallas had the highest home in Virginia as well, and they said black women were the biggest statistic for. Let's see Dallas STD rate. Let's see. Let's find out the Dallas STD rate. Let's see. What is the Dallas STD rate based on ethnicity and sex?
So, just to give you a sense based on some recent trends, Dallas has had pretty notable STD rates. For example, in the last couple of years, chlamydia rates have been higher among women, while gonorrhea and syphilis rates have tended to be higher among men. In terms of ethnicity, Black and Hispanic communities have often faced disproportionately higher rates compared to white communities. Of course, the exact numbers fluctuate year by year, but those are the general patterns that have been observed. If you need super current 2024 data, we might have to dig a bit more, but that's the overview.
Yeah, I want the current data for statistics with black men and black women in Dallas.
So, looking at the most recent stats I could pull up, which are pretty close to 2024, in Dallas, the trends show that Black men and women do have relatively higher rates of certain STDs compared to other ethnic groups. For example, in the past year or so, Black individuals accounted for about 20 to 30% of reported chlamydia and gonorrhea cases in Texas overall, and that pattern holds in Dallas as well. And you break it down by sex. Black women often show higher chlamydia rates, whereas Black men have had relatively higher rates of gonorrhea and syphilis. Those disparities are part of broader public health discussions because they highlight where targeted interventions are often needed. So that's the most current snapshot. Hopefully that helps.
So there you go. Dallas, black men and women. Told y'all. Loose as fuck. They take up 20 to 30% of the STD rate in Dallas. Crazy work. I said, golly, they just all effed up out there. I said, that's sad, man. I'm telling you, I do not F with Dallas girls. I just do not. You will never see me dating a chick that's from Dallas, bro. I do not fuck with Dallas at all. Like, at all. I don't even like going to Dallas. Dallas is just so loose. It's a nasty. Nah, fact, hey, but You gotta be careful, man, because in the hood they be like Kiwan. That's the crazy part. Every girl know it. Them hood dudes be the ones that go to prison. They be in and out of jail. The hood ones, they be the ones like Kiwan for. They be zesty as hell. Them be the ones you gotta watch out for. They be going to sneak and get some boy some some boy whoop de whoop. They go in there and get that boy. So that's why I stay to myself. Nah, facts, Candy. And said that is serious. Oh my God, I'm at a loss of words. So Ratchet, that means it's some loose, nasty, infected girls in Dallas, man. Nah, that's facts. That's why I don't fuck with Dallas girls. Hence on why I said I don't rock with Dallas girls at all, not even a little bit. Hell no. Double tap the screen, gang. Get the likes up. Double tap the screen. Everyone stay away from Dallas. Yeah, I'm to tell y'all, ladies and gentlemen, if you dating somebody from the DFW, see, okay, if they tell you they from the DFW, that's what I tell people. I'm from DFW. They say, where you at? I'm in the DFW. I'm not in Dallas, nor am I in Fort Worth. I'm in the vicinity around the area somewhere. I'm in the Metroplex. I'm just not in the city. I'm in the country. I'm ducked off way in the country somewhere. I am not in the city. So hell no. You got to get that right. I'm in the DFW. I'm not in Dallas and I'm not in Fort Worth. I'm in the DFW. So yeah, keep that a big buck. If y'all want to tip, man, we made $206 on this stream, man. I am not mad at that at all. We made $206 on this stream. I am not mad at that at all, gang. I appreciate all the love and support we get, man. I appreciate that. If they say anything, Dallas, they are man. Salute, Ronnie. But nah, man, Dallas, just be careful out here, man. There's a lot going on, man. The city is gonna get interesting here in November. The case is about to heat up. Uh, I encourage a lot of people to show up. I don't know what nobody on. Ratchet TV most definitely is gonna be there in the building. So you can bet your bottom dollar that Ratchet TV is gonna be there. You know what I'm saying? I definitely am going to be in the building at the trial. Uh, you know your boy Ratchet ain't coming along, bro. Like, this is a big deal, and I promise you, the way I'm coming, y'all gonna want to stay the hell away from me anyway. So just know the way I'm coming to that trial, yeah, y'all don't want. But hey, who's all going to the trial? Is anybody in the crowd going to the trial? Anybody in the crowd going to the Mo3 trial? Let me know. Are y'all gonna be at the Mo3 trial? Let me know in the building who is going. Who is going to the Mo3 trial? Let me know in the building. Man. Let's see. Anybody? I know I'm gonna be there. Some of y'all too damn scared to come to Dallas. Big Baby said, I'm thinking about it. Big Baby said, I don't know, man. Y'all too ghetto for me. It's gonna be a ghetto ass mess. Candy said she going. All right, Candy, well, you can pop out with your boy. It said, I'm back. May step up there. Salute, Miss Parker. Let me know. If y'all going, hit me up on the back end. They're just jealous of you. Yeah, they should be. I make more money than all of them. So it's gonna be loose. Now it's gonna be loose. Yeah, I'm gonna be there though. So if y'all wanna go, yeah, pop out with your boy Ratchet, man. You know what I'm saying? We definitely gonna be in the building. So you'd be better off popping out with your boy Ratchet than you would not popping out with your boy Ratchet. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, we gonna keep a close eye on what the fuck going on. But you notice nobody ain't saying I'm lying about the information I'm putting out, man. I'm a little too far from Dallas, man. You gotta go to the trial if you're around. If you're going, I need to pop out. I'm going for sure. I'm going for a shit show. I will be on some more content tomorrow. I just didn't feel like doing shit today, but fucking around. So I will be on more content. I got another case that I'm looking at. I said, you scared us with all the diseases going on out there. Hey, I told you not to. I told you to be celibate out here. You come out here, you better not be. It's cool to be around the vicinity of Dallas, but look, I don't give a damn even if you tell me you stay in a certain spot. I want to know where you from. If you tell me, oh, I'm from the Cliff, bye. I'm blocking you. I swear to God, if I don't give a damn if you live in Plano right now and you from Oak Cliff, I am not fucking with you. If a girl tell me I'm from the South, you got to go. Hell no. You from where? South Dallas? Oh hell no. Well, I don't give a damn if it's South Dallas or South Fort Worth. Get the fuck from around me. You get hell no. You are loose. Stay your motherfucking distance. As soon as she tell me, oh, I'm from Oak Cliff, bye. Hell no. Oak Cliff, my ass. I don't give a damn what part of the. I'm not from that part. I'm from the good side, bitch. Ain't no good side. Fuck that. All that shit dirty. Get your dirty ass the fuck on. So I'm from the good side. I'm not from that side. I'm from the good side. Nah, bitch, you from the dirty side. Period. Get your weird ass on. Get your weird ass on. Talking about I'm from the good side of the cliff. Ain't no damn good side. All that shit ghetto as hell. I don't want nothing to do with none of it. I want you to stay the hell away from me. If you from Oak Cliffs, to keep your motherfucking distance. I'm cool. Ain't nothing we gotta discuss. Trust me and believe me, there ain't nothing we gotta discuss. I'm not gonna waste my time or yours at that point. Cause I'm definitely not moving forward with this. I'm cool. This is why I get off. Man, man, man. Man, man, man. But yeah, I definitely I ain't rocking with damn Oak Cliff ass females. Y'all too damn ghetto, too goddamn loose, and y'all be smashing any and everything in the hood. Any nigga with some money, dope boys, and they be out there messing with them boys. That'd be the weird part. Y'all be out there trying to find the dope boys and whoop-de whoop-de whoop. As soon as you find the dope boy who got him a dope boy. The dope boy then found him a dope boy. Let's keep that a buck. So y'all be out here with the dope boys, and the dope boy has a dope boy. Said DeSoto female straight. I'm be right. I don't really be on that side too much. Like DeSoto Lancaster. I mean, they cool, but they got some bops out there that way too. So you gotta be careful out there in DeSoto and Lancaster and all that too. I don't really be on that side. So that's like right by the cliff and all that shit. So you gotta be careful out that way too. You gotta be real careful out here in these streets, man. I would just say no. I'm gonna be real with you. I would just say no. So if you want my opinion, just walk away, bro. Just walk the fuck away. Don't even do it. Don't even do it, my friend. Let's go back to man, 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 man. All right. All right. Let me see. What time is it? All right, we finna get up off here in a little bit. In just a little bit, we finna get the hell up off here, man. Cause I got shit I gotta do tomorrow anyway. So yeah, y'all. I'm finna get the hell up off here, man. Salute to the gang, man. I appreciate all y'all for pulling up, popping out, showing up, and showing out. Salute to the gang, man. I love y'all. I'm finna I almost been on here 2 hours, man. I'm finna go get me something to eat, man. I'm hungry and I'm tired. So I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. Plus I'm gonna hop on 2K a little bit later. And it's still early right now, so I got some time to let my dogs go out and play. So I'm gonna be out, man. I'm gonna rock with y'all tomorrow. I love y'all. And I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. Salute to the gang, man. I'm gone.